Hello guys, this is the new lecture series on the subject real analysis, and I know that you all guys are very much aware with the importance of these subjects either in your graduation or post-graduation for both honors in mathematics or first course in mathematics. Once I used to like this subject, and also, fortunately, I got the highest mark in these subjects because I know that the marks doesn't matter, but this subject, I really love it. So that's why I'll try my best to discuss the important topics of this subject. And from today, the very beginning of this subject will be means presented to you with the help of some standard textbooks and some important examples, right? So although I'll try my best to explain the topics, maybe I may miss something. So please do comment me if any topic that I have missed to discuss, or if any topic you find it difficult to understand, then I'll explain it again for a new video. So without wasting time, let's come to our topic. Okay, let's come to our first class on real analysis, right? So the first, what I can say, the first lesson or the first chapter of this subject begins with sets and functions. Okay, so let's come to the definition of sets. What do you understand by the term sets? If I ask you like that, then how will you define it? सेट्स मतलब क्या है? ठीक है, तो ऐसे अगर हम बोलते हैं सेट, तो क्या होता है? इस कलेक्शन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, वी नो दैट, राइट? जैसे मैंने सपोज एक एग्जांपल दिया 1 2 3, ओके, ये क्या है? एक सेट है, राइट? तो ये क्या है? ये 3 एलिमेंट्स का एक सेट है. दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ 3 एलिमेंट्स. Well, guys, I will use the 3 languages as part of your convenience. You may ask me, okay, either in English, Hindi, or Assamese. Okay, so I want that language should not be a problem. So what I was talking about, the definition of set. Just from this example, what you have got, set is a collection of elements, right? Now let's come to the definition of this textual definition with some example. What this textbook says. Set, you are used to the phrases like the team of cricket players, the army of the county, the committee of the education policy, the panchayat of a village, right? ये क्या बोल रहा है? टीम, क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स का टीम है. आपको पता है क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स का टीम में कितने मेंबर्स हैं? आर्मी ऑफ ए कंट्री, कमिटी ऑन एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, पंचायत ऑफ ए विलेज. तो ये सब में हम ये सब टर्म यूज करते हैं. क्या? व्हाट आर द टर्म्स वी यूज? टीम, आर्मी, कमिटी, पंचायत, राइट? So these terms, team, army, committee, panchayat, indicate the notion of a collection or a totality or aggregate of objects. तो ये जो टर्म्स हैं, टीम, आर्मी, कमिटी, पंचायत, ये क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है? कलेक्शन, और आप बोल सकते हो टोटलिटी और एग्रीगेट, राइट? These terms indicate this totality or collection, and these are the well-known examples of a set. So आपने अभी देखा कि सेट का रियल एग्जांपल्स क्या-क्या है. ठीक है? Now, therefore, our starting point is an informal description of the term set. So a set is treated as an undefined term, just a point in geometry is undefined. However, For our purpose, we say that a set is a well-defined collection of objects. A collection, a well-defined of it is possible to say whether a given object belongs to the collection or not. So, what I mean to say that ये जो term है set, एक undefined term है, ठीक है? जैसे आप ज्योमेट्री में भी आपको पॉइंट का जो टर्म हम यूज करते हैं वो भी एक प्रकार का अनडिफाइंड टर्म है. बट फॉर आवर पर्पस हमें समझाने के लिए हम चीजों को ये चीज बताने के लिए कि कलेक्शन है तो हम उस सेट का डेफिनेशन को कैसे मान लिया है एज ए वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. सो फॉर आवर पर्पस ओनली वी define the set as a well-defined collection of objects. ठीक है. अब well-defined collection of objects ऐसे बोलने से क्या होगा? What we will get in return? We will get that whether a particular means element, say X, ये X, whether it is belonging to that set as or not. Right? So that's what it does mean by well-defined collection of objects. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so let's see some few more examples of set, like the collection of students registered in IGNOU, the collection of the planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Earth, Pluto, Venus, Mercury, okay, Mars, Uranus, Neptune, then collection of all countries in the world. Let me ask you one ZK question here. How many countries are there in our world? हमारे जो world है कितने countries है? If you know this, then please comment it. Okay, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. Well, joke apart, then collection of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are some examples of set. तो अभी तक आपको सेट क्या है, व्हाट इज सेट एंड सेट का एग्जांपल्स, रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स ये समझ में आ गया होगा. ठीक है. ओके, सो लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. इफ वी कंसीडर द ये जो मैं यहाँ पे आपका हाईलाइट करके जा रहा हूँ उसमें ध्यान देना. ठीक है. If we consider a collection of all tall persons or beautiful ladies or popular leaders, then these collections are not well defined. Hence, none of them forms a set. So, इस वाले point पे ध्यान देखो. ठीक है. What I have said, if we consider a collection of all tall persons or beautiful ladies or popular leaders, then these collections are not well defined. Hence, none of them is a set. So why? What is the reason behind it? Because the reason is that words tall, beautiful, popular are also not well defined. Okay, so I am giving you one question. Okay, why this the collection of, or means I can say the collection of short person or beautiful ladies or popular leaders, why they are not forming a set? Huh? I have just given you the answer. What is the answer I have given? You please comment it. Okay. So what I am repeating again, that this tall person, this beautiful, ये जो word हम use कर रहे हैं, whatever the words I am using, tall, beautiful, popular, these words are also not well defined. मतलब किसको tall बोलेंगे, किसको popular बोलेंगे, किसको beautiful बोलेंगे? Okay, let me tell in the which person will call as a tall person, to which lady will refer as a beautiful lady, to which leader will refer as a popular leader. These things are also not well defined. That's why we cannot say the collection of tall persons, beautiful ladies, popular leaders, or short person are not forming set. Is this clear? If it is clear, you can give one more example from your side that a collection which is not forming a set. Okay, so you will give this answer using the comment section. Guys, it's your turn to make these videos interactive. When you comment the answer, the question to the questions I am asking, then I'll go through the answers and I'll also reply you back. That way we can make this series more interactive. Okay, so let's coming to the next point. Let's clear this. So the objects constituting a set are called its elements or members or points of the set. ठीक है, whatever the मतलब एक सेट में जो भी एलिमेंट्स होगा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होगा, उसको हम उस सेट के एलिमेंट्स कहेंगे या तो मेंबर्स कहेंगे या तो पॉइंट्स कहेंगे. Okay, generally a sets are denoted by capital letters and the elements are denoted by small letters. So to refer a set, we'll use capital letter. To refer its elements, we will use small letters. Okay, if S is any set and X is an element of S, we express it by writing X belongs to X. It's a simple. I hope I should not recall you back that this symbol is known as, this symbols means which one? Let me draw it. This one. This means belongs to. Okay. So X belongs to S. इसका मतलब ये है कि X जो है S में belongs करते हैं. मतलब X जो है वो एलिमेंट S सेट का मेंबर है. ठीक है. अगर Y suppose Y इस S सेट में नहीं है, if Y doesn't belong to this set S, then we'll write it as like this. Is it clear? Okay. So for example, if S is the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4 only, then 2 belongs to S, but 54 does not. 54 यहाँ पे एक मिस हो गया है. 54 does not belongs to S. Okay. You know that there are two methods of describing set. अब हम देखेंगे कि sets को कैसे describe किया जाता है. One is known as tabular method and other is known as set builder method. So भाई आप all of you please note down this, that how to describe a set. One method मैंने अभी कहा, that is known as tabular method. Yeah, tabular method. And another is known as what? Set builder method. Okay. Set builder method. अब इन दोनों पे भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. We will go through some numerical problems on the representation of this also. So let's come to the first one. That in the tabular method we describe a set by actually listing all the elements belonging to it. For example, suppose if S is the set consisting of all small letters of English alphabet, then we'll write S is equal to, कैसे लिखेंगे हम? A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Similarly, ये समझ में आ गया ना? You got it right or not? ठीक है से? अगर कुछ confusion है, बुझी पोৱা নাই যদি সুধিব পৰা. If you don't get it, you can ask me. So set builder method की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम अभी tabular method की बात कर रहे हैं. Tabular method में हम सारे एलिमेंट्स को दिखाते हैं. जैसे मैंने कहा कि S एक सेट है जो सारे इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट स्मॉल लेटर्स में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? S is equal to A, B, C like कहाँ तक है आपका? Z तक है. ठीक है. Suppose similarly, if n is the set of natural number, we will write like this. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, like that. That means up to infinity. Okay. Or इस method को, this is also known as explicit representation of set. So this tabular method is also known as what? Explicit representation of set. Okay. Got it? So ठीक है. Now in the set, let me first come to the. Okay. Now in the set builder method, up here tabular method clear. So I am coming to the next set builder method. In the set builder method, a set is described by stating the property which determines the set as a well-defined collection. Suppose P denotes this property and X is an element of a set, then we'll write like X, S is equal to X such that X belongs to or X satisfies P. आ रहा है ना समझ में? मैं फिर से दिखाता हूँ. I'll represent it again. Okay. So ये जो set builder method है, सेट बिल्डर मेथड, यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, एक पी के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं. और पी क्या है? व्हाट इज पी? पी इज द प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, पी इज द प्रॉपर्टी. और प्रॉपर्टी मतलब क्या है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रॉपर्टी? प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द फ्यूचर. जैसे दिस सेट ए बी सी अप टू जेड, व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी हियर? ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर पार्ट ऑफ द इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट, राइट? तो मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूं? एस X such that X satisfies P. अब ये प्रॉपर्टी हमारे लिए क्या है? X is a small letter of English alphabet, right? यही है. तो how will I will write it? S consists of all X where X is a small letter of English alphabet, right? Can I write like this? अगर यही नहीं होता, सपोज अगर आपका, मैं रुको मैं क्लियर कर लेता हूँ, मैं ऐसे लिखता, ठीक है? मैं टेबुलर मेथड में सपोज ऐसे लिखा हूं, एस बी ए बी सी जेड. बताने की जरूरत नहीं, आई डोंट नीड टू से इट अगेन दैट दिस थिंग्स आर इन कैपिटल. सो इन सेट बिल्डर मेथड आई हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. हाउ? एक्स, मेरे साथ बताओ, एक्स इज ए कैपिटल, right? Capital. So please bear with me because it needs time to write this. ये बोर्ड नहीं है, बोर्ड की तरह यूज कर रहे हैं ना, तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है इसमें लिखने के लिए. कोई बात नहीं, हमें कॉन्सेप्ट में ध्यान देना सही, कॉन्सेप्ट को समझना है हमें, है ना, राइट? वी नीड टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, सो मैंने क्या लिखा? अगर सपोज, ओके, S is equal to A, B, C up to Z, and these are in capital, then in set builder method, I will write like this: S X such that X is a capital letter of English alphabet. Clear? Similarly, इसके लिए मैं कैसे लिखूंगा? X such that S is equal to X, और S नहीं लिखा है मैंने, यहाँ पे N लिखा है, तो N, capital N is equal to what? Small n such that n is a, क्या है ये? A natural number. Okay, a natural number. I think that now no confusions regarding this. Right? Clear? So now I hope that you got it. See, in case of our set builder method, we actually implicitly trying to represent that set. Okay, तो इसलिए ये जो set builder method है, we will call this as an implicit representation of a set also. Just like, you know, in the tabular method, we call it as a what? We call it as a explicit representation of set for the our tabular method, and for our set builder method, we'll call it as a implicit represent of a set. Got it? Okay? Is this clear? So these two are very important. So let's come to some numericals then. So first take this. So let me clear this. Okay. So example 1. यहाँ का क्या है? In the representation of sets, the elements of a set are not repeated. Also, the elements may be listed in any manner. यहाँ तक के आपको समझ में आ गया? Elements repeat नहीं हो रहा है, और elements को कुछ भी वैसे कुछ भी elements may be listed in any manner. Right? Now, example: write the sets S whose elements are all natural numbers between 7 and 12, including 7 and 12 in tabular as well as set builder forms. तो टेबुलर फॉर्म आपको पूरा के पूरा एलिमेंट्स लिखना है ना। टेबुलर फॉर्म में क्या होगा, s इज इक्वल टू, हमारे पास क्या है एलिमेंट्स, व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स वी हैव, 7 से 12 इंक्लूडिंग 7, 7 आएगा, 8 आएंगे, आपका 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is the tabular method, right? This is the tabular form. Now, in set builder form, how I will write this? Dekho, you also try to write it. Take a copy. Whatever the questions I'm doing, you may pause the video and you try to write it by yours. Okay. So in the set builder method, I will write like n belongs to kya hai ye natural number. So I will represent it with the help of capital N, such that अब ये 7 भी है यहाँ पे और कहाँ तक है, up to how much we have 12. ठीक है, 12 जैसा दिख तो रहा है, right? Okay, no problem. So including 7, right? आप ये हो गया, देखो यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे लिखा हूँ, आप ये डॉट भी ये डॉट यूज कर सकते हो, you can use this dot colon also. So in set builder method, how I am writing? S such that n belongs to n, where n is greater than equal to n 7 and less than equal to 12. That is the set builder form, right? So this is the solution for this question. I hope this is clear. Now, one more, write the followings in the set builder form. So दिया हुआ है a is equal to 2 4 6 dot 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 and a is equal to 1 3 5 dot dot dot. I hope you can write this, do it, and put your answer in the comment box. I'll go through it. Okay, and then this one, write the following in tabular form. Given that a is equal to x, x is a factor of 15, and a, next set, x is a natural number between 20 and 30, and x is a negative number. You need to convert them into tabular form. Okay, you don't need to worry. I am bringing more examples, but you have to comment the answers of this question. But let me show the examples that I'm bringing for you. Okay, so first take this one. Write the following in set builder form. First 3, 6, 9, 12, 2, 4, 8, 16, 13, 2, 5, 25, 125, 60, 25, 2, 4, 6, 1, 4, 9, 100. एक फर्स्ट वाला देखते हैं, 3, 6, 9, 12 है, ठीक है। जैसा मैंने कहा, you may pause the video, you can try it by your own, and then you can see, match with the answer. So let's take this one. So कैसे लिख सकते हैं set builder form में? X such that x is equal to 3n, because ये जो number देखोगे आपका 3, 6, 9, 12, 3 को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? 3 is equal to 3 into 1, right? 6 is equal to how much? 3 into 2. 9 is equal to how much? 3 into 3. Like that means ये जो 3 का फैक्टर आ रहा है, 3 का मल्टीपल्स आ रहा है, किसके साथ? एक नेचुरल नंबर के साथ. So I can write x such that x is equal to 3n and belongs to capital N, and n कहाँ तक के हैं? 4 तक हैं. 3, 1 to 3, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So n is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 4. I hope this one is clear. Okay, right? Or I can say x such that x is a multiple of t, but x is less than equal to 12. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो आप. You can also write like this. So second one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 16 is very simple. 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 into 1, right? 4 को I can write like 2 into 2. 8 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? ठीक है, 2, sorry, ये जो है ना ये स्क्वायर फॉर्म में है. I'm sorry, 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1, 4 is equal to 2 to the power. ये आपको देखते से ही पता चल जाएगा, जैसे मेरे को अभी पता चल गया, ठीक है. 8 is equal to 2 cube. 16 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 to the power 4. 32 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 5। यहाँ पे मत जाओ, यहाँ पे ये जो क्या है क्यूब पावर को नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, तो यहाँ मैं जैसे लिखा हूँ ये ध्यान दो, ठीक है। सो हाउ कैन आई राइट दैट? आई कैन राइट लाइक दैट x इज इक्वल टू x मतलब जो सेट है हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n। n एक नेचुरल नंबर है, राइट। कहां तक के हैं, 1 से लेके 5 तक है, from 1 to 5, right? So I can write like this, that it is said, suppose I am representing it at A, consisting of all these elements x, such that x is equal to 2 to the power n, where n belongs to natural number, and that range is n goes from 1 to 5, including both 1 and 5. Right. Similarly, please try this one. This is very simple. 5 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 to the power 4. So I can write like that x such that x is equal to x to the power 5 to the power n belongs to n, and n is from 1 to 4. Clear? Is this clear? I hope it is clear. Okay, next 2, 4, 6. So what is this? Okay, you should have the capability to identify the numbers. These are all even numbers, right? So I can write like that. 2, 4, 6 is equal to x such that x is an even natural number. Similarly, 1, 4, 9, 100. What is this? 1, 2 square, 3. I can write like that. Let me write it. 1 square, 2 square. Then this is 3 square, right, up to 100. That is 10 square, right? So I can write like that. X such that x is equal to n square, right? X is equal to n square, where n is from 1 to 10. Clear? So that's it. I hope all these examples are clear to you now. Okay, सबका solution दिखा दिया मैंने. Clear? सारे solution हो गया. आप आते हैं next question पे. Next question मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. Write each of these following in tabular form. And please remember that in the tabular form, we also call it as a roster form. Okay. So set of all natural numbers that can divide 24 completely. First वाला देखते हैं हम. 24 completely. All natural numbers. So 24 को कैसे कौन-कौन डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. तो -2 मत लिखिए. Okay. This is +2. So this is the set for that. X such that x is a natural number which divides 24 completely. Similarly, next वाला हमारा क्या था? Set of odd numbers between 20 and 35. 20 and 35. So 21 and 35 के बीच वाला odd numbers. The odd numbers between them. So how I will represent them? 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33. All these are odd numbers, right? That's it. Then similarly, आपका third question, set of letters used in the word Guwahati. Okay. So this one, this is wrong. This is for the next. Set. क्या क्या है इसमें? Z, right? This is capital. Z, U, W, A, H, T, I. This is the answer. Okay, not this one. This is the answer. For the set of all letters for the term Guwahati, this is the set will be Z, U, W, A, H, T, I. Number should not be repeated because A double bar repeat हो रहा है. We need to write once only. Then next question is set of the names of the first 5 months of a year. ये तो आप खुद ही कर लो. Very easy question. First 5 January, February, March, April, May. Okay. Next question. Set of all 2-digit numbers that are perfect squares as well. All 2-digit numbers that are perfect square. तो square तो आपका क्या होगा? 2-digit number from up to 99. अब क्या होना चाहिए? Squares होना चाहिए 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. 4 square, 5 square, 36, 6 square, 7 square, okay, 8 square, 9 square. That's it. I hope these all things are clear to you. So guys, I think for as this was the first lecture, this concept, what I have discussed today are sufficient. So a small recap, what I had discussed today is the definition of set, real examples of it, and the representation of set as a set builder form and roster or tabular form. Okay, so that's it. We'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.